Dogecoin and the crypto market is moving up very strongly. It is very, very bullish right now. The entire market is moving up and big things are underway for Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. What's up, Miles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell because every single day I make videos about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies that you cannot miss. If you want to get access to my day trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, join my Patreon, which is in my top pinned comment or in my video's description, where you can message me anytime. You can talk to me on the phone. We can build you a portfolio and teach you technical analysis and much more. I'm giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner tonight. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put Dogecoin giveaway in the comments. And if you love Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, show that love by hitting the like button. It helps us support the channel. And let me know in the comments, do you think that a couple of days ago when we had that big dump, was that the bottom? Or do you think we're going to see another bottom before the bull run takes off? What do you all think? And let me know in the comments, do you think Dogecoin and cryptos are going to be bullish this coming week or bearish? Let me know. So we have a lot of very good news and very important information to cover about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. As we have seen, I believe we called out accurately on this channel the bottom, which is definitely amazing to see. It's amazing to see that cryptos are finally starting to recover because they were bleeding out, just getting beaten down. I told you guys, if we were oversold, we cannot go down much further. We could not go down much longer either. The bears were being overexhausted. They couldn't drive down the price any further with their fake news, with their FUD, with their shorting the market. Now the people that are shorting the market, they're actually being liquidated. There's potentially a short squeeze about to take place. This article covers exactly what I just said. It says Bitcoin analysts, not just one, there's a bunch of analysts are expecting a short squeeze. Remember GameStop and AMC? A short squeeze is basically when people are betting that a thing is going to go down. They're putting a lot of money saying, hey, I want Bitcoin to go down. So they short it. They short Ethereum. They short Dogecoin. They short a bunch of cryptos. And when they short things and when things go down, they can make a lot of money. But when these whales, when these institutions, when they short cryptos and they actually go up, they can become liquidated, which means they lose their entire investment. Additionally, they can start losing more than their initial investment. That's why it's so risky to long and to short cryptocurrencies. So what has to happen is that they start to lose money in the sense that they have to buy back their position, and also they open up long positions. So it causes a crazy amount of volume buying into the cryptocurrencies. So that is potentially what is looking like to these analysts that is about to happen this week. And as we go into this article, it talks about the probability of this happening is very, very high. They're expecting it this week, and they're also thinking that this price movement that we're seeing in the cryptocurrency market is now the sign that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin are recovering, which means they're going to stop dumping and heading in a downtrend. They're now potentially in an uptrend. They're going to continue to go up. We might go down a little bit, but in the whole picture, if you zoom out, you're going up. Moving forward, remember how the market is moved by fear and greed? The crypto fear and greed index is looking much better. A couple of days ago, we were at a level 10. The higher the number, the better. So we are starting to move into greed. The sentiment of people, like the other day, I called out a bottom on this channel. We call that out together. Say, look, this is also a bottom indicator. When fear is extremely high, that's usually a good sign the market is about to overturn, to change for the better. So we're seeing an amazing opportunity in the market right now. And if you want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, use my WEBULL link. If you deposit $100, they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell or buy cryptocurrencies or stocks with anytime. So personally, as we also saw on the charts the other day, cryptos were in a downtrend, but they recently, a couple days ago, broke out of the downtrend, which we will be taking a look at. Now we are in a uptrend recovering. All of this has been confirmed, and we're going to talk about it in just a second. We're also going to be talking about where we could head in the immediate short term. But before we do so, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Elon Musk, he had a reply to this guy's tweet. This one guy, he's like, do you still agree on this? And he was asking about the Dogecoin standard overtaking the global financial system. And Elon Musk says, is the Pope Catholic? The Pope is 100% Catholic. And Elon Musk says 100% without any certainty of doubt. He agrees that the Dogecoin standard, that Dogecoin will overtake potentially the global financial system, which means in the future, he sees this cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, being one of the top cryptos in the entire world, especially as in the years to come, because Dogecoin has a lot of backing by a lot of very important people, and it's being developed to become one of the best cryptocurrencies in the world. We even have Vitalik Buterin. We have some of the most powerful people in the world behind Dogecoin, helping to push it, to make it better. We have people from other cryptocurrencies helping to work on Dogecoin to help make it successful. This is all happening right behind the scenes right now, and big things are about to take place. So when you see Elon Musk backing and saying something like that, that speaks volumes for the whole market. Now let's take a look at this, some on-chain data to even confirm our further predictions, to confirm our sentiment in this video. So Sentiment, this is a guy who studies on-chain data for cryptocurrencies, and he's looking at Bitcoin. Remember, Bitcoin moves the entire market. Dogecoin is basically dependent upon Bitcoin. The whole crypto market is, Ethereum is as well. So Bitcoin is inching close to the 18-month low of its supply on the exchange ratio, which was hit back on January 2nd earlier this year. And when that happened, there was a huge spike in the price of Bitcoin. So as Bitcoin continues moving off exchanges during these suppressed prices, it's a promising sign that markets have decreased the sell-off risk. And additionally, what happens is every time there is a major drop in the price or in the balance of Bitcoin on the exchanges, there's a huge spike. So right now there's a massive drop in Bitcoin on the exchanges. Whales are gobbling up Bitcoin. Crypto institutions, banks, people, retail investors are gobbling up cryptocurrencies. They're putting it in cold storage. That's what this data is. When they remove Bitcoin on the exchanges, it's very bullish. It shows people are putting it away long term, removed off the exchanges, put somewhere safer. So when that happens, there's a massive spike in price, and we're starting to see that spike in price. But the last time we had some pretty significant drops, look at this, December last year, boom, a big drop, and the price went all the way from 20K to 40K. Then we had another drop when the price hit around 30K, another significant drop, and then Bitcoin went all the way to 65K. More importantly, let's take a look at some technical analysis to confirm even further our sentiment. So the other day I said, look, Bitcoin is testing this line of resistance. If it can break outside of it, this would be potentially the confirmation of the bull run, confirmation of the bottom, and that cryptos are going to start moving up. Right now, we are in an uptrend for cryptos. Cryptos are in an uptrend. Finally, Bitcoin and the whole crypto market broke out of this downwards channel. This downtrend, look at how steep that thing was, and we are forming a very positive sign of recovery, seeing this inverse head and shoulders, which is playing out right now. We are right now at the precipice of a potential massive breakout for cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin right now is forming an inverse head and shoulders. We are at the neckline right now. So what happens is, when the head and shoulders comes to the neckline, there's potentially about to be a massive breakout. But this pattern might not always play out. We could come up and get rejected and start to head down and then finally bounce up and try to test it again. But what is very likely and what is a high probability, potentially 70%, especially if we consider the market conditions, what's going on, a potential short squeeze for cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin could break out to the length generally. This would be our price target close to this area, which would be close to $40,000. Bitcoin could break out in the next week all the way to $40,000. And if Bitcoin continues from there, we break the resistance, we confirm even further the bull trend, cryptos will absolutely go crazy. We also must understand there's really big catalysts for Dogecoin and Ethereum this week in 4 days, where Vitalik Buterin is having that live stream with some of the Dogecoin developers. So we're going to also keep you informed with that. But let's go to the Dogecoin price. Let's actually look at Ethereum. Ethereum is looking extremely bullish, breaking potentially out right now with that inverse head and shoulders. Cardano looking the same. Dogecoin still looking very good. Dogecoin is not really moving that much. Dogecoin actually moved a significant amount yesterday and today, but Dogecoin isn't moving that much because we pumped the other day pretty significantly. But just wait, Dogecoin will catch up. Dogecoin will. And we always see Dogecoin always outperform the market. So we're definitely not worried for Dogecoin. This is an extremely bullish inverse head and shoulders. We are just approaching the neckline right now. So to be specific, our price target where this breakout could potentially bring Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, if this is our neckline, we ended up getting We ended up coming out of it 3 times and got rejected. We're most likely going to continue to head up and break past this level of resistance, which is also a neckline. This, if we do end up breaking out, could potentially bring us to around 23 cents, 24 cents. So if cryptocurrencies continue to move and we do get a short squeeze, we will easily see 24 cents, 23 to 24 cents this week for Dogecoin. So very good and exciting things for cryptocurrencies. And we also have the Ethereum update coming out here very soon, August 4th. That's some also very strong and bullish news for cryptos, which will potentially bring a lot of money into cryptos, especially the altcoins. So we have a lot of very, very bullish things for cryptocurrencies. If you guys got something out of the video, go ahead and smash up the like button, blow up the comment sections, share this video with some of your friends and family, Facebook, Twitter, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great night.